Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today's video is about currents, a tool that is becoming very popular in this time. If you want to beat your competitors, stay ahead of market changes and make a smart decision before others do, then currents might be the tool for you. So in this video, we are going to learn what current is, how it works, and why predictive insights are so powerful for your business. And quickly, before we dive in, let me tell you one thing. In the description below this video, you will see a special link. That link gives you access to lifetime deals or extra discount for tools like currents, and it's worth to checking out after watching this video because it can save you a lot of money and lot of time, and while giving you access to the professional platforms. Alright, let's talk about the currents. So what is it? Currents is a predictive insight platform. That means it collects data from the market, analyzes trend, and shows you what might happen the next. Instead of only looking at past report, you can get signals about the future. This is very powerful because if you know where the market is going, you can act faster than your competitors. So for example, let's say you are running an e-commerce business. Normally, you might only know about a trend after everyone else is already selling it. But with currents, you can see early signals of what products, keyword, or topic are starting to grow. Now this allows you to prepare ad, create content, or even stock inventory before the competition. Another example, imagine you are in a digital marketing section. Like with currents, you can discover which channel or strategies are likely to perform best in next month, not just which one worked in last month. This saves money and help you to focus on what will give the best in return. So right now, current has more AI feature. It does not just collect data but also explain it in simple terms. So the dashboard shows clear chart, graph, and recommendations. So even if you are not a data expert, you can understand what action to take. Now the tool is designed to be beginner friendly but still powerful enough for big businesses. Another important part is competitor tracking. Current helps you to see what your competitors are focusing and predict their moves. For example, if your competitor is about to push heavy ads in one area, you can know that early and prepare your strategy. This way you are never caught by surprise. And also, currents is not only about marketing, it can also help you to predict development, content creation, and even investment decision. Anywhere data and future planning matter, current can give you insight. So what is the biggest benefit of this? Now it's confidence. Normally business decision feels like guessing, but with predictive insight, you can make decisions backed by data and future signals. So this reduces risk and help you to win in the competitive market. Overall, I think current in this year one of the smartest tool for business that can help you and that want to grow faster and smarter than their competitors. And before you close, let me remind you one last thing, that is the special link I told you about in the description. That link is actually from AppSumo, and on AppSumo you can get the lifetime deal for the tools. So just go and check it out. And I hope now this video helped you and you understand the current AI. So if this video helped you, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to miss the link in the description. So I will see you in the next video.